Okay, so what are we doing here this afternoon on a beautiful Sunday afternoon? Well, we're thinking about doing um, a review on not a purchase, on something I was sent, um, and this item. The only thing I had to do to win this item was comment on a YouTube video back, what was it? Back 4th of July, I think it was. Back when this specific YouTuber, if you're at all interested, go check him out. It's Mike P7810. He had a video back when, for Father's Day, you're supposed to watch a few of his videos, comment on one or two of his videos, I can't remember, of you and your father or grandfather, disking, plowing, that kind of thing, and the memories you've had. Well, I didn't realize this, but it just so happened that my comment was one of the three that made me legible, however you pronounce it, to win this. So I was very fortunate to receive this item one day in the mail, sitting there on the porch, and I kind of been a little hesitant on doing this video, but what the heck, we might as well do it anyway. So without any further ado, let's get with it. Well, there it is. Super clean. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast. So I'm really interested in seeing what's inside, so let's take a look. Alright, so that was the first flap. Had all the shipping information on it. Didn't want to show. Ooh, what do we have here? A lot of packing. Ooh, good packing stuff. That's cool. Recycled air. That's even better. Holy crap. Put that there. Cool. Okay, cool. So it even gives me a little diagram thingy. That's cool. More of this packaged air. Okay. More packaged air. And more packaged air. Oh, I see. That goes on this guy here. That third one. It must have come off. Cool. Shirts, spray foam. Cool. Let me put this stuff in this shirt and that on the seat. So it's just a shirt and a hat. So hey, so this is the super clean new Easy Spray aerosol can. Biodegradable detergents. Sweet. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast, super clean. So we'll just set that there. Move on down the line. We got the super clean Tough Task cleaner degreaser. Okay. We got the super clean foaming Tough Task cleaner degreaser. That's a foaming degreaser. Then we got the super clean all-wheel cleaner. So this is a 32-ounce value size, and that's what that extra pump's for, is to go on this here, so you can squirt it without any issues. I don't quite know I want to try this on yet, but it's kind of where I want you guys to give me your input. The Gator, I guess it would work. Cleaner degreaser. So we'll get back in.